Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to control your computer with your mobile phone. Follow these easy steps to easily control your computer using your iPhone or your Android phone. First of all, on your computer, you have to open your Google Chrome browser and then search for Chrome Remote Desktop and search for it. Now open this first link, Chrome Remote Desktop, and now click on this download button and it will take you into this Chrome Remote Desktop extension page. So first of all, we have to install Chrome Remote Desktop extension in our Google Chrome browser. So click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Once the extension added, now again click on this download button and now the Chrome Remote Desktop app installer will be downloaded, and here we can see this app size is only 20.2 megabyte. Once the installer downloaded, and now click on accept and install. Now enter here your computer name and click on next and create a pin for your desktop and just click on start. You can save your password and now go to your phone. It could be a Android or iPhones. Follow the same steps. Go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Chrome Remote Desktop, and all you have to need, install the same app on your Android or iPhone. Once the app installed, now launch the Remote Desktop app on your mobile and tap on Sign in. And now on your computer, here you will see your Google account, which account you are using to use the Chrome Remote Access. All you have to need, just note the Google account, and now on your mobile you have to use the same account to use the Remote Desktop. So log in with same Gmail account, and then on your mobile here you will find your desktop computer. All you have to need, just tap on it, and as you can see, it's connecting. And now you have to enter here the password you created from your computer. Now tap on done, and as you can see, my phone is connected to my computer. Now you have to turn on auto rotation. Now just rotate your mobile, and on your mobile screen here you will see your computer. I'm controlling my computer from my mobile easily. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.